Okay, this is how to reset the service light on a NISSAN NV200 van. Also comes up service due now, and what we're going to need is the left hand clock button, and keep an eye on this display on here. So pushing the left hand clock button in changes the display, so every push gives you something different. And what we need to see in display is detail. There it is, and then we turn the knob clockwise and it will go down to detail. To accept that, press the button, and then we need to come down to maintenance, again turning the button and then pushing it. And now we can just check what is actually due. So if you go down to service first, push the button, and you'll see that this was due 122 miles ago. So we just go click on back, and you've got the same with other, and that one is absolutely okay. So go back again, and oil filter. So if you've changed obviously the oil filter, apart from the service, you do that one separately. So again, that one's what's due on there. So we start back in, so we start in maintenance. We go down to oil filter first because we've done the oil filter. So push the button, bring it down to reset, push the button, and then that's reset. We then go back up to other, just in case there was anything in there that needs to be reset, just to show you. You then click on turn it into reset, press the button, and then it'll obviously show you there's 0 miles left. Back. Now for service, don't just push it once, you have to push and hold on service, and then it comes up with the next menu so you can reset it. So we then click on to reset, and then come down again to confirm, and then that should be it. So we go back down, so we can now check it. Maintenance, service is reset, obviously other was reset, and also oil filter has been reset, and that's it. I hope that helps.